Hello everyone, today in this video we'll cover some of the most important F2L algorithms that will really help you to reduce your time during F2L. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications to never miss any new video. Number 1. This F2L pair when the white is facing up and these two colors are matching. What you can do is do this following algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime. Another way to execute this F2L pair, which is efficient but bad for look ahead, is something like this. You can do U2, R2, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R2. Another case that is really important is this one, when you have the matching color on the top and the white facing towards the right side. So how you can execute is something like this. R, U prime, R prime, U2, rotate to the right and then insert with L prime, U prime, L. Another tip I want to give you is that what you can do is that see this piece. If this is the side color on the left or right, for example this is blue here and the left side it is blue. So when you can set up this case here, you need no rotation to solve this case. You can just do this algorithm here, but make sure this front slot is empty, otherwise the pair here will get destroyed. So you can do this like R, U prime, R prime, and now you can see that this both pair are ready to be inserted without a rotation. So this way you can save a rotation. If you see this F2L pair, you can keep it on the right and then set up rather than moving, first rotating and then setting up and then coming back to solve the F2L pair. The same thing on the mirror side. You can do L prime, U prime, L, U2, rotate, R, U, R prime. Another case is this one, when you have this white piece on the top and some sort of a checkerboard pattern here. So what you can do is that you can do U, sledgehammer, and U prime, and you can insert this pair anywhere where it belongs. So now it belongs here, so I can insert this with R prime, U prime, R. Another case that is really common is this one, which needs to go to the adjacent slot. So you can do the following algorithm. Keep the pair on the right and do this algorithm. U prime, R, U prime, R prime, rotate, U, R, U prime, R prime. So you can do this pair really quick, something like this. This F2L case seems similar to the last one, but this time you can see that both are red and both are green. So some sort of a pair here. So this pair goes to this opposite slot. So one way you can do that is by bringing it out, but that is not the efficient way to do that. So you can do is that you can lift this slot with an L move setup. So this is now the slot which you can really easily insert with an F prime, U, F, and here you can see that this slot is now filled with this F2L pair, and you can cancel the L move setup by doing an L prime. So these were the tips for this video. I hope you will learn something from this F2L tricks. If you like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like so that I can know that you really love this video. So I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye.